Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Coding Craft. And today we are going to be learning how to add videos in the HTML file. So I've gotten the HTML file right here, index.html, and also the video. So now I got from a random YouTube channel. Now inside body and the video, and then again like it that images and as well as the it's only in images. We have the SRC tab, which means source, and we can have the source, which is swap. We don't put in that. And proof. Now it's massive, as you can see, that will make the size a bit small. So to make the size small, I can simply vary much better. And now let us also see just the image. I want it to work. To make it work, you can simply use the controls. And now I should
You have to
to make the volume a bit smooth, we can move it.
display odd numbers.
Okay. We can make it full screen. You can change the download, you change the playback speed, I think the change the this one is not important. Now there are multiple other options, like if I want this video to continue playing, as soon as like I go into the thing, then I can like continue. And I
You
just
have to
go
display odd numbers less than equal to 15. Only the
what
odd numbers. So
that
let's try to write.
second statement that is good. Now let me write controls on auto play. Now
You have
it
to
should
display
be playing, but also there's a
odd numbers less than equal.
like if I refresh see, it will. No. Yeah, see when I save it will play in 1 minute. So we will do it start with yeah. Or play. And then to change the position control, so should have and save.
You have to display odd numbers less than equal to 15. Only the odd.
Yes, so and let's say I want it to be on let's say I want it to go in a loop. I can tell you but
You have to display odd.
and you can see. Then we will do another. Now it will soon be over in 2 seconds. It will come back in the sun. Now, let's say I want it to be muted from the beginning. Okay? Now it's this.
You have to display odd.
Looking for else. If on the beginning it will be muted, but I can unmute it. So that's it. And I just want to say one more thing. If I remove the SRC, nothing should come but see. Inside video, I can put an enter and write the source. And sleeping. Nice. And I'm gonna close the more leave it in closure. Actually, it's an empty that we can close, doesn't matter, but it's an empty tab. Inside, I'm gonna add another source, SRC, and I'm gonna put the name of the one. What? I think it should still work. No, let's say, this is pretty cool, but let's say the browser does not support MP4. So, it will be, I can also change it to W. Let's have another video of this. I can put it. So if this doesn't run, then this will run. Or if it does not run, I'm writing this browsers. If it does not. Like for example, if I look at the WhatsApp, the message should come to browser. This video thing covers it, but it will come in like a real one. Okay. It's a backup message which the browser should get and it will probably send itself. So I hope you learned HTML videos. I don't get my name. So thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions, comment in the comment box. Subscribe and bye.